Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to do the Macarena. It's a Zumba dance, so it's only one wall. So I need to divide the steps into three parts. First part will be doing the arm movements, and I want you to remember that because on the second part I will be on my back doing that, and you will not be able to see me. Okay, so the first 16 counts, which is the arm movements, will be repeated first, second, and third part. Okay, so let's start with part 1. So here's the arm movements, which is 16 counts. Okay, so just spread your legs a little bit, and you're gonna do the arm movements at the same time you're moving your hips. Okay, because this is a dance, you need to move your hips a little bit. So ready, starting with your right hand, you're gonna raise your arm, palm down, and left palm down, and then right palm up, left palm up, and then you touch your elbow, left with your elbow, touch the back of your ear, and touch the back of your ear. So it goes automatically right, left, right, left. Once again, with a count. Ready, and with your hips swinging a little bit, and ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, next position, you're gonna put your right hand on your left hip, and then your left hand on your right hip, and then you tap the back with your right hand, and then right on your left on your left. Okay, so ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you're gonna raise your arms slowly up and jump once. Okay, if you cannot jump, you just tiptoe and down. Let's do that again. Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next 8 steps is kind of easy, but I need to show you while with my back so you can just follow my left and right. So we'll start with our right leg. You will just put your weight on your right, 1, and back, and then your left and back. Okay, so the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we just do 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, focus also on swinging of your hips. Okay, ready? Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step, your right foot is free. You do quarter turn, raise your arms, palms up, and you do the shimmy shimmy. At the same time you're doing the baby steps. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then your left foot is free. Quarter turn to your right, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So let's do the count. So we did the side way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're doing it now, going to your right, quarter turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and quarter turn to your left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll do it again one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, your right foot is free again, okay? So you're gonna do quarter turn to the front, so to the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And you do a pop, 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 turning to your right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that again. So you turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do it again on your right side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And you do that, 2 sets of that, and we're gonna do the Macarena again, and that will be part 2. So now let's do part 2. So again, we're gonna repeat the first 16 counts, the arm movements, and then we'll continue on the next steps. So, first 16 counts, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bending your knees, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you do the shimmy shimmy, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You're gonna do that set 4 times again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next steps will be doing the shimmy shimmy again. So you turn to your right, to your left, and do the shimmy shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the last step for part 2. So now we're doing part 3. So we're going to repeat again the first 16 counts of the arm movements, and then on to the last steps. So, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right away, you turn quarter turn to your left, and we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the last of the first part. But instead of doing the pop, 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 you're gonna swing your arms all the way, looking up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you do the hook, and that's it. You just did the whole dance. All you do is just memorize each steps and know the sequence of all those steps. So good luck, and I'll see you on the dance.